Good morning, welcome to the channel. It's Saturday, May 25th, I think it is, or 26th. I don't know. It's Saturday, end of May, just before Memorial Day weekend. Well, it is Memorial Day weekend. Yeah, all right. Anyway, I'm doing a little project today. I got this, I don't know, 16-foot long shed that needs some repair. Let me show you here. All right, the bottom of the wall is rotted, and the 2x4 under there is rotted. So I'm gonna take this wall off, knock out this wall, repair the framework underneath with I think two 2x4s. I got 4 sheets of this board, put up a new wall hopefully today, and yeah, see how long it takes. And like I said before, I'm not a professional at anything that I do. So I'm not a professional carpenter or anything. So this is, if you watch this video, may not be the right way to do things, but it's the way I'm going to do it. So just to let you know. So if you're interested in this, you know what to do. Hit all those buttons. Hit that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber. Hit that bell so you're notified of when I put out new videos. You know, give us a thumbs up if you think this is good or not. And, you know, hey, stay tuned. I already have the white moldings on the ends off. I got to take the other moldings off, and I'll be doing that right now. Well, gotta be careful here. Looks like it's gonna snap off here like it did on my other side, and I might have to piece this together. There we go. Yep. A little bit rotted down here at the bottom. There we go. One off. Get the other. All right. There. Those are off. Now let's take down the boards. This might be a little bit harder here. Just take down the wall.
A few moments later.
So this is going to take a while, so I'll come back when I have the wall off. All right, got the wall off. I took all the boards, got them up there in my fire pit. I don't know if you can see it. Up there, may have a bonfire tonight. All right, but now I got to pull out all the nails, and then that board there, if you can see how it's rotted right there, a big hole. Look at that. Yep. Pull that out. I'm gonna take out all the nails and pull that out. There's some ants in there, so I'm gonna spray that down and replace that board with two 8-foot 2x4s. Should do the trick. When I get all the nails out and pull that out, I'll show you again before I put the new board in. All right, got the rest of that 2x4 out of there and cleaned up. Yep, and there's some damage there, and you can see some ants. I'm going to spray this down, but it's only got to hold for a little while longer. I'm going to spray it, but because we're going to be planning on moving out of here, so I just needed to secure this up a little bit. So I'm going to spray this down, and then I'm going to cut the 2x4s. This is 16 foot long. I got two 8-footers, so I'm just going to trim them up to make sure that they're two 8-foot even, and put them in there and secure the 2x4 in there. And I'll be back. All right. I got the 2x4 in there, nailed in. Pressure treated. All right, all nailed in, and I marked all the studs. So I'm gonna bring the wall down to here somewhere, 80 inches. So I marked the studs down below, and I also marked up there, so I have my line. All right. And now I'm gonna mark off. I got 4 sheets of this. I'm gonna mark it 80 inches, and I'm gonna cut them off, and then I'll hang it. All right, got all the 4 pieces of whatever you call this, shed siding or whatever. Got it hung with a few screws holding it in. I decided to use screws instead of nails. It's a little bit easier for me. I got a ton of screws, so got it up. I'm gonna take a little break, pick up a little bit, and then I cut it to 80. It's, there were a couple pieces that weren't, this thing wasn't built the greatest. So yeah,
I got it together as good as possible. But anyway, I'm gonna pick up some of the mess I got out here. All I got left to do is screw those in. I'm gonna go around and screw everything down better, and then piece the moldings back together. And then I'll come back another day and paint it. So I'll show you when I get this all done for now. All right, there we go. It's all finished right now. Got the wall up, got the moldings up. Yeah. I'm gonna, fill these in just so they look better. And everything's up. Got these up. That one there broke a little bit, but I'll putty it. I don't, whatever. The woodpecker started hitting it. Like I said, this only got to last a couple more years, then we're, moving south. And then I'm gonna have to clean it up a little bit. This backside, I don't know if you can see, but it's got some green tinge to it. So I'm gonna have to move these kayaks, pressure wash this. This side is still good. Probably after a pressure wash, it'll be all right, but it's nice and red. But this used to be the same color, I think, pretty much like this color. I painted it red, so. But the front side is getting a little faded. I don't know if you can tell, but it looks a little faded. So I'll repaint it red, and I'll go around and redo the trim again, white. But yeah, she should last me another couple years. Whew, it was a hot day. So what do you think? Been out here all day. But if any of this stuff interests you, hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell so you're notified when I put out new videos. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. What do you think? Did I do okay? Like I said, never been a professional carpenter. So I do what I do, get by what I get by. So that should last for a while. But anyway, till the next video, thanks for watching. See you next time. Thanks. Bye.